Hey guys, it's during the hands-on after the event was pretty exciting. There was also this really cool Hermes band that I saw. I was talking about how much I loved how light the Milanese loop was, and then I picked up this Hermes band. I'm not even sure what the name of it was called, but we'll put it in text right here. This band, it shook me to my core. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. So this Hermes band, I know I just said that I really liked the super lightweight nature of the Milanese loop, but I think I changed my mind because this is so nice. This feels like I'm wearing like a premium piece of jewelry on my wrist right now. This is making me completely rethink everything. So now moving on, not wearing earplugs. I've learned my lesson. And now what we're all here for, the iPhone 16 and the 16 Pro. Now, before we even get into any of the details, I just want to talk about the pink iPhone 16. It is the perfect pink color. It is something that I've always been wanting, and they finally did it. I wish that it was in the Pro. I know, we can't have everything, but it looks so good. Like the color, it's so vibrant. I love the whole lineup. They just all look so beautiful together. So in total, we have 4 new phones. We've got the 16, the 16 Plus, the 16 Pro, and of course the 16 Pro Max. Other than the size and battery life of the iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus, they have pretty much the same features. These are the first iPhones designed from the ground up with Apple Intelligence in mind, and I'm so excited about what Apple has done here. The new A18 chip not only unlocks the power of Apple Intelligence, but it makes these phones incredibly fast. The A18 chip uses cutting-edge 3nm technology. These new devices combined with the new Apple Intelligence is going to be kind of like a whole new experience for people. I'm excited to see what everyone thinks. Now we're moving on to the 16 Pro. This is my time to shine. I'm so hyped about it because they've got this new color, which I know I should probably tell you about the specs first, but this desert titanium color, so pretty. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max comes in 2 sizes. We've got a 6.3-inch display on the smaller and a 6.9 on the Pro Max. Both models feature the thinnest borders I've ever seen on an iPhone, making the display feel so much more immersive and seamless than ever before. And Apple is delivering their best battery life yet on these Pro models, so you can count on it lasting all day. These are being powered by the new A18 Pro chip, which is built with second-generation 3nm transistors. The 16-core neural engine handles 35 trillion operations per second, and offers a 17% increase in memory bandwidth. It means that these phones can run 13% faster than the A17 Pro models, making them so much more powerful and efficient. The 6-core GPU is now 20% faster than its predecessor, delivering twice the speed for ray tracing, making these phones perfect for gaming, augmented reality, and high-performance tasks. On the iPhone 15, shooting in ProRes log was so much fun. Like, the shots that you're able to get is just... Okay, if there's any video that you need to watch my friend Farouk's video. Basically, it felt like a commercial. Shot on iPhone 15, go watch it. It really shows you the capabilities of this camera and how impressive it is. So knowing that that was the 15, and now we've got updates to the 16, it's only gonna be better. Now, of course, on to the cameras. It's got a 48 megapixel fusion camera, and thanks to the quad pixel sensor, it can read data twice as fast. You're also getting a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and for zoom lovers, there's a 5x telephoto camera. This has a 12 megapixel sensor with that tetra prism design. Much like the iPhone 16, this also has the camera control setting, so you can smoothly slide between lenses, and later this year, Apple will be rolling out a 2-stage shutter that will even add more precision when capturing photos. Photographic styles can also be adjusted, letting you fine-tune images after capture and preview the changes in real time. There were some cheers in the audience, I might have been one of them, that we can now shoot 4K 120 on the iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro. During the keynote, they showed this little cinematic slow-mo video, and then at the end it was like, oh, shot on cinematic slow-mo on the iPhone. So cool. So you have the ability to record 4K 120 ProRes and log formats, and the new playback speeds are also available in the Photos app, so you can get even more control. Now onto the audio side, usually I will sometimes plug in a little USB microphone here. I'll use the DJI Mic 2 to get really clear audio, but they've got some really fun AI audio features now. There's 4 studio quality mics with a much lower noise floor, so this will give you cleaner, crisper sound recordings. With spatial audio capture and a new audio mix feature, you can choose which sound source to focus on, making it so perfect for live performances or even interviews. Apple's even updating voice memos, allowing you to layer tracks without needing headphones. Now this is kind of where the AI features come into this audio mix feature. When they showed this demo during the keynote, yeah, I was pretty impressed. I can't wait to see how it actually holds up. They show how easy it is to reduce background noise or focus on specific voices, depending upon what you're going for. The first option is in-frame, which is perfect if you want to capture the voices of the people on camera, even if there's talking going on off-screen. This helps you focus on the main action without distractions from background conversations. Then there's studio mode. This option makes the voices sound like you're recording in a professional studio with sound dampening walls. And then there's cinematic mode. This one captures all of the voices around you and consolidates them in front of the screen. So with this audio mix, you basically just choose the setting that you want, and voila, it's magic. It just works. Battery life, iPhone 16 Pro, what have we got? Oh, that's right, we've got up to 33 hours of video playback. Now, battery life is always a controversial topic, but on the iPhone 16 Pro, they're saying that you can get up to 33 hours on the Pro Max and up to 27 hours of video playback on iPhone 16 Pro. That's a pretty long time. We'll definitely be putting that to the test, for sure. That's almost 4 hours more than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The one question that I had while I was watching this keynote and all of this talks of the camera control is, how am I gonna use a case? Because it kind of has like a touch feel, like you're gonna be scrolling on the camera control. Well, of course, Apple has thought of it all. They have a case that basically kind of will just transfer your touch through the case, and it should work perfectly fine. So it's really great to know that these new cases will be optimized for this new camera control and also updated for the new Qi 2 wireless charging. So all of the concerns that we had, at least will be perfectly fine with Apple cases. I'm not sure if any of those third-party case people are ready for this one though. So the iPhone 16 Pro is starting at $999 for 128 gigs of storage, and the Pro Max is $1199 for also 128 gigs. I'm curious though, which phone are you guys gonna get? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this comprehensive look at all of the things that they announced here at the iPhone event. I'm so excited to get my hands on all of these. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to like this video, comment, and let me know what you would like to see me test out as soon as I get any of these devices. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified so you'll know when I post new videos. And be sure to follow me all over on social, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. I still can't bring myself to call it X. And even Snapchat. I'll be posting a ton of content, so be sure to stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Thanks for watching.